And now let's cut across to a protest that is happening against the Supreme Court's order on stray dogs in CP. Right now, we are getting information that there is a protest happening. These are people who are questioning the order of the Supreme Court. They are protesting against it. The court had ordered that all dogs from all residential areas should be picked up in Delhi. Joining us now is Milan Sharma. She's joining us live from Connaught Place where the protest is happening right now. Milan, tell us what's happening there.
Well, at the moment it's really chaotic because the police is trying to disperse the friends of dogs. The police is saying that this is no way to lodge your protest because permissions were not taken. But I just want to show you one side and I want to talk to the people on the other side. मैम आप आए हैं यहाँ पर जो कुत्ते हैं उनको शेल्टर में डालने की बात हो रही है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के रूल के अगेंस्ट है, लेकिन अभी कई जगहों से ऐसे खबर आ रही है कि कुत्तों को ऐसे भी उठाया जा रहा है.
इसीलिए तो हम लोग यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं. वो कोई फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं, आरडब्ल्यू वाले कुछ फॉलो नहीं करेंगे. जो हेटर्स हैं वो तो इन चीज़ों को मौका समझ के इस्तेमाल करेंगे.
आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
मैं कीर्ति नगर से आ रही हूँ. हाँ, हमारे ब्लॉक में सारे प्यार करते हैं, लेकिन बाकी जगह पर ऐसा नहीं है. हमारे ब्लॉक के लोग सब प्यार करते हैं.
I just want to talk to more people. You have a placard. It says stop relocation and we stand in solidarity and against the verdict of the. So the police is not letting you protest today, and they are saying that this is no way to lodge your protest. Where do you want that you should be allowed to protest? Because yesterday also
Supreme Court said that no one can come in between our verdict. But we are a democracy. Where does it say in our constitution that we cannot stand against anything passed by the orders of our government? It says nowhere. So I think we stand in solidarity as we have always. और हम करेंगे ये क्योंकि हम डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है. मैं नहीं पैदा हुई एक जगह जो डिक्टेटरशिप थी, तो मुझे नहीं आता वो सिस्टम जहाँ पे मैं जिप करके घर पे बैठूँ. नहीं आता मुझे.
But dogs are still being rounded up from many places. We checked out some MCD centers. They didn't even have ABC centers properly. Making shelters in 8 weeks. Do you think that's possible?
No one thinks it's possible. That's why we're here today. And we will record this. I mean, sure, there's a verdict that's been passed. And we'll adhere to the verdict. But we have our own systems to stand against it. And we will petition and we will be there. Standing against this. Yeah.
Do you also agree to this?
No. Like if the government had wanted it, they would have got the dogs sterilized in time and vaccinated. No rabies case would have happened. We are doing it at our own cost.
The number of rabies cases have been very low in any state.
It has. If you feed them, and if you're friendly to them, they'll not attack you. But if you're going to throw stones at them, hit them with sticks, they're going to do it.
But now, the police has got buses to round you guys up and, you're not afraid of being detained again.
We are not, because we are standing for them. We are standing for them and we will stand for them.
Okay. Yeah. Not afraid of being detained. I'm just going to talk to a few more people, sir. The police is not allowing dog lovers, friends of dogs to protest. They are saying this is no way to lodge your protest. What do you have to say?
Well, we have to have a voice somewhere. So we genuinely are concerned about the animals and we love them. So
what was your first reaction to the Supreme Court ruling?
I was horrified and I'm heartbroken.
Just trying to talk to a few more people. आप लोग भी यहाँ पर dogs के लिए protest करेंगे? तो प्रोटेस्ट करने की अनुमति नहीं है और पुलिस कह रही है कि आप कहीं और जाकर आवाज़ उठाइए. मीनवाइल एमसीडी की तरफ से कुत्तों को उठाया भी जा रहा है साथ ही साथ, और आप लोगों को भी प्रोटेस्ट नहीं करने दिया जा रहा है.
हमें प्रोटेस्ट नहीं करने दिया जा रहा है. प्रोटेस्ट के लिए मुझे पता रेप करने की अनुमति है सबको, एनिमल्स के साथ क्रूल्टी करने की अनुमति है सबको. अगर ये सारी अनुमति है तो हमें भी अनुमति है. हम अपने बेजुबानों के लिए लड़ेंगे. अगर गवर्नमेंट बिना फिजूल के एनिमल्स के साथ क्रूल्टी करेगी तो हम एनिमल्स के लिए आवाज़ उठाएंगे, हम उनकी आवाज़ बनेंगे.
इसका सोल्यूशन क्या लगता है आपको?
सोल्यूशन कुछ हो ना हो, लेकिन अभी सोल्यूशन ज़रूर निकलेगा. हम कुछ भी करेंगे इनके लिए, एनिमल्स के लिए. इनके पास ज़बान नहीं है तो उनकी ज़बान हम है, इसलिए हम सारे यहाँ पर इकट्ठे हुए हैं. मैडम इकट्ठी हुई हैं तो हम बोलेंगे इनके लिए.
Solution क्या है मैम? What is the solution to this whole?
Solution is as it has been a scientific way of doing ABC. We all, as I say, चाहे आप dog lover हैं, चाहे hater हैं, चाहे indifferent हैं, I think what you should be demanding that already which the law which is in place should be implemented. MCD should do sincerely sterilizations.
They don't have infrastructure enough to do
Now that I'm coming to that. If they say they don't have infrastructure, tell me this. हमारे माननीय न्यायाधीश ने जो कहा है, how will they implement that order of creating pounds?
Ma'am, they were working with NGOs. There are animal NGOs.
I'm sorry, I don't know how many. I'm an individual, no NGO. I have done more than 500 surgeries in my area in last 8 years.
Individually.
Yes, on my own money. I have records, every single dog record. And you want to see it? I can show you. No MCD has ever come in my area to pick up a dog. I have given them calls of picking up dogs whom I have not been able to pick. They have told me, we don't have the people. We don't have a catcher. We don't have an ambulance. We don't have a van.
Ma'am, which area are you from?
I am from South Delhi.
Which area in South Delhi?
Hoskas.
Horse. You've been doing this in horse cars, but I just have one more question. The problem is,
another thing.
ma'am, once I'll ask her
There has
also.
been not
The
one
problem is
single
between
pup in my area.
the problem is between narrative of people who are afraid of dogs who bite, and that is why the situation goes out of control, and people who know that dogs are not going to bite due to some reasons. What do you have to say to those people who are afraid? Because we've seen cases of children being mauled, and a lot of CCTVs have come forward. What do you have to say?
I think besides ABC and vaccination, there should be awareness, and there should be sensitization.
Sensitization is not there.
No, it's not. I'll tell you. Once I was in Deer Park, there was school children who had come of class nursery, right? There were about 200 children. And the way children make noise, they make noise. They were dogs. So, the teacher, rather than saying to children, ki bachche baith jao aram se, she picked up a stone and I had to go and catch her hand and tell her, madam, I don't know who has made your teacher. You are trying to teach this to children that anybody who barks, throw a stone, hit? No. You should sensitize children. These are children.
Currently, the
and these dogs are
entire
not.
issue of picking up stray dogs on the order of the Supreme Court is escalating in Delhi with people protesting against it.